Alright guys, so we are live and let's get it. So in this stream I'm gonna be working with it's a lot of stuff, but yeah, in this stream I'm gonna continue working on that on this over here. So let me just show you what happened last time when I was, so there's some issue with my code because I'm not getting the comments. There should be some comments, but for some reason I'm not getting it. So the comment is an empty array, whereas it should be comments stored in the puzzle piece, which is, for example, a video, and I have a video ID, so I'm trying to follow that, but it's not working. So I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna go from there. But all I do know is I'm gonna be coding for like at least 2 hours, but I gotta push my code before 12 a.m. so that I have my push for the day. As you can see, I missed some. I'll show you guys later. I missed pushing my code yesterday. I regret it, but it is what it is. You gotta code every single day. That's what I want to do, because I just want to show you guys, like, you know, coding is #1 fun for me, and #2, just coding consistently you can get better. So let's get it. Okay, so I guess I'll start from the beginning, which is around here. Let's see. Come on. Okay, let's do this time. So 2 hours, 33 minutes.
So we have now a route to get user credentials.
Okay.
So far we only have 2 routes for streams, one that gets all the streams and one that posts the stream. Let's add a route for getting one stream and getting all the details that are pertaining to that one stream. First.
Okay, so, and today I may also experiment. Screw it, you know, I'm like, I haven't been experimenting with a few things, like like user details. I want more information about the user. So add user details. I want to be able to add a few user details, but I'll do this once I see how they add user details using React, the front end aspect of it, because I do want like a Quora like system when you sign up for Quora. Like, I'll just do it right now. They make you choose interests. So let's see, let me do this. Got a bunch of accounts. Okay, yeah, what are your interests? There we go. So so yeah, and then based on what you choose, they offer you more interests from those niches. So let's say I want to choose technology, health, fitness. See, more come up. So 10 more come up from fitness if I choose Apple, MacBooks. Yeah, all these things. I really like that. Steve Jobs. More people will show up. Who else? What else do I like? I like science. So I don't know. But yeah, I want a feature like that. And then let's say, all right, let me just do computer science and the internet. Next. So spaces. See, so that's what I want to do. I want to make a feature like this, and I guess I'll do it after, once I see how the front end works, because I want to make the front end cool. All right, so now add user details. That's done. Now I gotta do the comments. Now I feel like I should make a new user to do that. So what can we do?
Well, these three user routes should be grouped with user routes like this. And let me remove this white space. Alright, let's write this route. So this will be a host, of course. So sorry, a get
app.get right here, puzzle piece slash puzzle piece ID
slash. So this can do route parameters. So we'll do route
scream ID get puzzle piece.
Okay, wait. I want to write all the other routes and delete screen. This thing add a collection, a comments collection, and put exactly that. And before I add the document, I want to copy something and paste it. I don't want to type it anyways. I want it because you might not want to type it. I'm gonna paste it right here. So these are how our comments are stored in our database. So they have a user handle, so that we'll know who submitted this comment, and they have a stream ID, and that refers to which stream they pertain to. So when we grab a stream with this comment, and so these are how our comments are stored in our database. So they have a user handle, so that we'll know who submitted this comment, and they have a stream ID, and that refers to which stream they pertain to. So when we grab a stream, we grab its comments by this stream ID property, and they have a body of what the comment says, and of course they have a created at of when they were actually created. Alright, I believe maybe later they will hold an image URL as well of their user, but we'll see. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so let's create a comment like this. So what we need is four things: a user handle, stream ID, a body, and created at. So a stream ID we'll get from this one stream. So we'll copy this.
So I got a screen puzzle pieces. So let's see, screams, add a document. So I got this scream here. Can't copy it.
And let's create the collection again.
Comments,
Scream ID, a user handle.
So I did that. I got the comments, scream, puzzle piece ID, same thing, puzzle piece ID, body, okay, user 5, which is the user, right? User 5, comments, user handle, user 5, okay.
We only have one user right now, or at least because I deleted the other users.
Let me see.
They have created at, but underscore like body it was by so let me data copy something. I want to add.
Yeah, so his user, yeah, so mine is same as well.
Screen ID, that screen ID, a user, which will say nice screen be a string. But we have a let me copy this date. Here, cool. All right, so save. There we go. We have a comment that is attached to this screen. I mean, it's not attached because this is a document-based collection, but we will make it so. So let's go to our screens. Actually, let's go back to index. We need to import this, copy this, get screen, and add it to here.
Get scream handlers, screams handlers. Get handlers, puzzle pieces, handlers, puzzle pieces, get, so puzzle, okay, get puzzle piece, yeah, that's good. Oh shit, what'd I do? Get puzzle piece, that's good. Okay.
Get screen equals takes get screen function. So
screen dot
get screen
get puzzle piece equal
takes a
request and response error function
let's declare a variable screen data as an empty object.
Let puzzle piece data equal, yeah,
slash $ curly braces to access the variable
db.doc $ puzzle pieces. What the heck? That's weird. Okay. Puzzle pieces / request dot params.
Request dot params for parameters dot screen ID.
Puzzle piece ID.
Like this. And get.
That's good. Okay. Dot get.
Of course, let's return the promise. And
Dot
the document.
then. Doc.
So let's do another check as well. So let's do if not doc dot exists, which is a boolean that tells us whether this document exists or not. We will here stop and return res dot status of 404, which stands for not found, JSON with an error. All right. So else we just document dot data as a function, and then now we want to add the ID of the data.
Scream data. Puzzle piece data equals to doc.data.
Equals document.data as a function, and then now we want to add the ID of the screen to the data because we're going to need it. Data. So let's do screen data dot screen ID equals doc.id.
Screen data puzzle piece data dot puzzle piece ID equals to doc.id, and puzzle piece ID. Okay, yeah, so doc.id, and this is the ID of the document of the puzzle piece which we did doc.exists on. So if doc.get on. So we did doc puzzle piece ID, right? We got the params, then we did get. Once we do a get, so what happens when we do a get on a specific puzzle piece? What things do we get? Actually, you know what we can do is we can do dot get dot then, or we can do console.log doc. So puzzle piece, so we get puzzle piece / puzzle piece ID, and we get that, so that's it. I guess this is the ID. So let's see, let's try to send a post request. Send. Yeah, so we got this doc data. Query document snapshot. I'm looking for ID, and there is no ID. So doc.id. There we go. So it's giving me the ID, which is 4YF. Yeah, that's the ID. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got the ID. Cool. So that's doc.id, right? And then
Alright, so now we need to fetch the comments of this screen as well. So let's do return db.collection
db.collection comments, db.collection, return db.collection comments where
screen ID equals
db.collection. Yeah, so we got the db.collection comments where this is where a possible issue is. So in this comments, we have the document where the puzzle piece ID equals to that value. Puzzle piece ID equals to request.params dot puzzle piece ID dot get.
Yeah, the request.params dot scream ID.
Scream ID equals to, okay,
dot
get. All right.
So this returns a promise, so we do another then here.
So it returns a promise, then we do a data. Now I want to see data. I want to see this console.log data. Okay, let's see what's going on now. Now what data are we getting? Another query snapshot where what data are we getting? Because collection ID, comments. Yeah, that's tough, man. That's tough. Okay, this doesn't tell me anything. Puzzle piece data. Okay, data. Okay. I want to see.
Then and we get a.
Okay, how about here? Okay, let me see what's
query
going on.
snapshot, because this can be multiple documents. So let's initialize, say, scream data dot comments.
Puzzle piece data, which is right. Puzzle piece data dot comments equals to an empty array.
Equals an empty array, and let's do data dot for each document.
Data for each document.
Let's do scream data dot push, and we
scream data dot push. Hold up. Data for each puzzle piece data.
We push doc dot data, and we don't need the IDs of the comments. So after here, so our comments are already there, so we just need to return statements. So let's do return scream. No, not scream data. Res dot JSON. No.
Doc. Well, he made a mistake. He'll fix it in a bit. But yeah, puzzle piece data dot comments. So over here, we wanna do puzzle piece data dot comments console dot log. I want to do that. Oh shoot. Okay, let me put it here. Let me see what happens now. It's an empty array. So there's something going on here in my code. Puzzle piece data dot comments. For some reason, I'm not getting this document to appear. db.collection comments where puzzle piece ID is equal to request.params.puzzlePieceID, and request.params.puzzlePieceID same. Puzzle piece ID. For some reason, I'm not getting this comment to appear for some reason. Either I'm getting it and it's not, either I'm getting it and it's not showing up. Puzzle piece data dot comments dot push doc dot data. I don't know. Data for each document. Puzzle piece data dot comments. Puzzle piece data dot push doc dot data. Oh man, oh man, oh man.
And without ready versus just screen. Test if this is working, and test this out. And oh, because screen data dot comments dot push. Oops, because comments is the array, screen data is an object. All right, let's try again. Cool, we get.
Yeah, see, mine is an empty array and this guy gets a friggin' object. Okay, why is that? Why? See, I get the puzzle piece ID. So there's nothing wrong with that. Comments. See, it's an empty array. Where's the array, bro? Why isn't this data for each? Puzzle piece data dot comments dot push.
get our data. And what we need to do though, because right now we have only one comment, so this problem doesn't appear, but if we have multiple comments right here, it's going to sort them differently. Actually, I'm not sure what it sorts them by, but we need it to sort them by created at, because we want to show the latest one first. So sorts them by, but we need it to sort them doesn't out. Alright, let's try again. Screen data comments push. Oops, comments is the array, screen data is an object.
Let puzzle piece data equal an object and puzzle piece data dot comments. Okay, how about, man, this is such a puzzle piece data dot comments dot push doc dot, so that's where the issue is, man. So somewhere here, so dot then data screen data dot comments data for each doc puzzle piece data dot comments dot push doc dot data. Okay, let's delete that. Console.log doc dot data. So that's not happening. Doc dot data data for each. Okay, so how about I put it here? Doc is not defined. What you mean, bro? Doc is not defined. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. That's true. So data for each. So data is an array of objects. So let's do data is an array of objects. Right, so what do we do with, in other instances, what do we do with then dot then data so what is So we got query snapshot. Comments. Data dot docs. Puzzle piece data dot comments. I don't know, bro. This is hella frustrating. Maybe this user. Okay, let me try with a different user. Because the users I have, maybe that's the issue. Because I deleted a lot of users, and I only have this user and the user one at user.com database. One. Okay, let me try this user right here. So user ID up one, user handle, see this one is handle, but then the other one is user handle. Handle, handle. User handle. It's hella frustrating. Very frustrating. Okay, what do I do, man? Puzzle piece data. Puzzle piece data dot comments.
screen date is an object.
What could I have possibly done wrong here, man? This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Why am I not able to get things from the comments? Collection. Find the comment with the puzzle piece ID that. db.doc puzzle pieces slash that. We get everything but the comments. Man, this is bull crap. Comments db.collection comments where puzzle piece ID equals. Man, this is driving me nuts. Alright guys, so time to go to Upwork again, get some help. It is what it is. Help me debug Firebase, React, not Firebase, Firebase issue where I try to retrieve documents from a collection. Full stack. I'm following where is this?
Alright, let's try.
242. So we got 2 hours, 42 minutes, 22 seconds. Alright, let's do 18 seconds.
Comments is the array, screen date is an object. Alright, let's try again.
A YouTube video trying to code the back end video, and I'm stuck at the 2 hour 42 minute, what is it, 22 second mark, where a get request is sent to the comments database to retrieve comments under screen. I get the screen data but not the comments property returns an empty array for me, whereas in the video the comments property returns, let me put some returns an array of comments. Here's the link to the video I'm following. One time next Firebase. Come on, bro. Firebase, Firebase, Firebase. Okay, full JavaScript. That's really it. React, sure. Node, Express. Okay. Only Upwork talent. $5. Entry. Post job now. I guess I should carry on with the code. Man, it's just kind of upsetting. I'm not able to get puzzle pieces / ID. This ID has this. Flock. Okay. What do we do, man? What do we do? So let's see if anyone applied. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen this quickly. Okay. I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. Exports.get puzzle piece data. What about the other one? Handlers, users, screens. So what did I do here? So this is what I did. This is what I did. Okay, let's see what I did here. Wait, this is screen. Okay, let me copy paste this. Actually, yeah, let me do this, and then instead of screen data, we're going to do puzzle piece data. Get puzzle piece. So get puzzle piece data, puzzle pieces, puzzle piece ID, PP not found, puzzle piece data. Wait, copy this, paste it there, paste it here, puzzle piece, where is this? Puzzle piece ID dot puzzle piece ID is to doc.data, order by created at screen ID, puzzle piece ID dot get then puzzle piece data, data for each, comments push, puzzle piece data. Okay, let's try to, come on bro. Let's try to replace this. Save. Brr. 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 Query requires an index. What do you mean, bro? Puzzle pieces. What do you mean it requires an index? Something about screen here. Come on, so frustrating, bro. there's two functions. Maybe that's the issue. I replaced it though. The query requires an index. Whoa, 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 whoa. Something is going on here. What? What the heck? So clearly it's working now. Yeah, it's working now. What? Okay. So clearly I made a mistake somewhere. Let puzzle piece data exports dot get puzzle piece. Bro, where did I make a mistake? Only way to figure it out, copy this, paste one of two of two. Okay, copy this, copy that, there's two of them right there. Copy this, 2, 1, 2. Get, copy this, 1, 2, 3. That's fine, as long as there's more than one. If doc exists, 2, return sure, pp not found, sure, puzzle piece 2, return db.collection, comments where I know where the mistake is. Wow. Okay, so I know where the mistake is. Okay, don't kill me, bro. Okay, so this is the flippin' issue, bro. Now we gotta send. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so we don't need this anymore. Okay. That's, let me just close that job post. Let me do it from this computer. I'm so mad, but it is what it is. Remove posting. Okay, so yeah, it took me an hour to debug that, but at least I debugged it this time instead of paying for help. So I'm very happy about that. Request.params.puzzlepieceid. There shouldn't be any code around it. Can't believe that. Okay. GWAS. Okay. So we're good. We are good. Oh my god, man. Okay. Alright, so we got the comments. Now, so in Unpuzzle, people shouldn't be able to comment. I mean, they should be able to add puzzle pieces. So user puzzle piece ID, and then we should have this thing called sub puzzle piece. So it shouldn't be comments, it should be sub puzzle piece. Okay, so these are some of the things I want to change up, but I'm glad that, okay, let me push that code now. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, you flippin' kill me. Okay, so we're good. Like, thank god that we were able to debug that. That's great. Git status add git commit m debugged comment, retrieving comments when requesting for a puzzle piece. Git push origin master. Let's get it. Okay, now I'm going to show you my GitHub. Whoops. Don't save. github.com. I just pushed my code. As you can see, I missed a contribution, but that's fine. I'll contribute more. Let's keep going.
Cool, we get our data. And what we need to do though, because right now we have only one comment, so this problem doesn't appear, but if we have multiple comments right here, it's going to sort them differently. Actually, I'm not sure what it sorts them by, but we needed to sort them by created at, because we want to show the latest one first. So let's go here, so we'll close the console. And here, after we fetch our comments, after the collection thing, we say order, not like this, order.
Order.
Order by, and it's by created at.
Dot collection. I guess it's right here. Let's split this right now. db.collection. I wish Prettify was working. Dot get. Dot order by.
And in descending order. So let's save and run the query. Again. Well, of course we're not going to see any difference because it's just one comment, and we get an internal server error.
I got that too.
It's because Firebase, when you have a complex Firebase query, you need to create an index for it. But usually it gives us a URL, but for some reason this URL is formatted in a very funny way. Let's try again and see if the console log is actually formatted properly here. Alright, so this is the URL. You can get as well a URL. It says it's going to say the query requires an index, so you can create it here. So you just click this, control click from the console state. Opens it on the browser. And what's cool about Firebase, the index is already ready for us to be created. However, this doesn't show anything for some reason. Go to index this again. Okay. Let's copy and paste this. And this is gonna take a couple of minutes, so alright,
Okay. Okay.
Click create index, and this is gonna take.
Oh no, I don't get that. Okay, let's go to indexes. What you mean? Oh, okay. What you mean, bro? Okay, I gotta do this here. There we go. So what happened was I have so many Gmail accounts. When I was entering this URL, it would do it on this Gmail instead of my other Gmail where I have the Firebase signed up on. So I had to do it in incognito. It's going to take a couple minutes to build. I wonder why we have to do this. Comments, so database. Why do we do this? Puzzle piece ID ascending created at descending. Fields indexed.
Alright, we click create index, and this is gonna take a couple of minutes, so I'll be back once it's done. Okay, now that our index has been created, we can actually send this request again, and it should show us the data. And it does. And now even if we add another comment, actually let's add another comment just to show that it works.
Still building.
Okay, now.
Enabled, okay. Still building. Still building. Still building. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Still building. Why does it take so long? He said it takes a couple minutes to do it, but oh, finally, it's done. Finally, it's done. Send. Perfect. It's working. We're gonna add a new comment. So we're done here. Well, let's duplicate. Nope. Up one. Gotta copy this.
Now that our index has been added, another comment, the same user.
User handle. Up one. Created it. Add field.
So another comment from that file, how they created that. Let me copy that date from that file right here.
Let me make it something right now. I'll copy it in a sec.
We're gonna add one day instead of the 15th of March. It's gonna be the 16th of March, and we're gonna have another field of stream ID.
Stream ID. Save this one. Let's copy that. Put it. Create it at. And he put it at 6. I'll put 7th. Update. Where? Puzzle piece ID. Damn. Add field puzzle piece ID. Add postman send. Created at 7th. So descending, yeah, that makes sense.
I'm gonna copy it from here.
So this one should be the second one.
And submit that and send the query again. We get,
Yeah. 15th and 16th. Yeah.
get 2 comments and create them on Firebase manually. You get it first. Go to index. Instead of this to do comment, let's do app.post /stream index. Let's create a route for actually submitting comments without having, create them on Firebase manually. So let's go to index. Instead of this to do comment, let's do app.post /stream.
Finally. Okay. Let's continue. So we're still good to go. Everything is Gucci. Index app.post puzzle piece
/colon stream ID /comment.
Okay. Puzzle piece ID /comment. You know what? I'm so insecure about making typos. I'm gonna do this from now on. Alright.
And this will be a protected route.
Okay, yeah. That's fair. True. Firebase auth.
So let's add the auth middleware.
And the reason why I have Firebase auth instead of FB auth is because I named it Firebase auth.
And this will say comment on screen.
Comment on
screen. Let's go to here, add it,
puzzle piece.
So on screen, let's copy comment on stream. Let's go to here, add it, and
comment on puzzle piece. Get puzzle piece const. Get okay. True. 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 We are all good here. And
let's go and create it. So here at the bottom, it's add a comment here saying get or fetch one screen.
Fetch, nope.
Let's add a comment here saying
Fetch 1 pp puzzle piece.
Get sound like the code is my you know, like the code works for me, which makes more sense because it does. Alright, like the code is my you know, fetch makes it sound like
Comment on a comment. Comment on a puzzle piece. I think that's what he means.
Code is my you know,
comment on a comment.
Like the code works for me, which makes more sense because it does. Alright, so exports, I don't know, comment on screen equals request response. And here what we need to do is we need to validate the body, but we only have one field, so we don't create a function for it. We just say request dot if request dot body the body, but we only have response. And here what we need to do is we need to validate the body, but we only have one field, so we don't create a function for it. We just say request dot if request dot body again because the property is called body dot trim the equals an empty string. That means the user sent empty data, so it's the trim. Here what we need to do is we need to validate the body dot means the user sent empty data, so it's
validate the body. That sounds so wrong. Body dot trim equals return.
Do on the same line return res dot status 400 with a JSON error. I say comment must not be empty.
Okay. Res dot status 400 JSON. Oops. Error. Comment must not be empty.
Actually, it just must not be empty because the input will already say comment on it. So if we say comment again, it doesn't make sense. Otherwise, I'll do const. Let's create this comment object that we're going to persist to our database. New comment equals object. The body of the comment is request. Oops.
Const new comment equals to
request dot body dot body. The created at is a new date to ISO
created at
string.
new date to ISO string. Okay. Oh, dot.
The screen ID is request dot params dot screen ID. The user handle we get from our request dot user object that's passed through our middleware, so handle of course. And actually we do need to store the user image, because what we want to do later when we fetch the comments, we don't want to fetch the comments and then depending on that comment as well the user image was. And actually we do need to store the user image, because what we want to do later when we fetch the comments, we don't want to fetch the comments and then depending on that comment as well fetch depending on the user handle of the comment as well fetch the profile image of the user. So let's do here user image, add something called user image, and this will be request dot user dot image URL. Now we haven't added this yet, but we can. So let's go to our util. What's cool about this, because we've already sent a request to the database, so we already have all the properties of the users, but we can. So let's go to our util. What's cool about this, because we've already sent a request to the database, so we already have all the properties of the user. So here we can just add another one called request.user.
Firebase auth. Firebase auth. Firebase auth request dot Firebase auth.
The image URL equals data dot docs 0 dot data, the function, dot image URL. Alright, yeah, we're done here. Let's go back. So here we
Come on, my guy. So we got users. Each new user, all of these we gotta delete. I wish I could delete all these at once. No. No. Delete document. So image URL, okay. Okay, cool. So that is that.
you have the user image stored with the comment. So let's persist this. Yeah, we're done here. Let's go back. So here we have the user
user image request user.image URL.
image stored with a comment.
Okay, we're good.
So let's persist this. What do we do actually? Oh, we need to actually confirm that the screen exists, because this screen might not exist anymore. So let's do dd.doc backticks /screens $sign thing curly braces request.params.screen ID to get this screen .get then doc, because this is dd.doc, so it has to return one document. So let's say if not exists. So if it doesn't exist, we return res.status 404, because we don't want users submitting comments to IDs that don't exist anymore, and then we'll have to like persist comments with screen IDs that don't exist anymore. So just say here, if the screen doesn't exist, we say screen not found, and then if we pass this if and nothing happens, not pass it as in if it's not triggered, then we just do db.collection, and it will be the collection of comments. Now we add our comments. So .add, which I believe we haven't used yet, this is the function that you use to add a document, and you pass it at JSON, and in this case our JSON is already created, so we copy that, we add our new comment object, and here we do .then. This returns a write result, I think. No, actually a document reference, but we don't need it anyway. If we come to this then block, that means the document was created successfully. So we just say res. We actually need to return it, res.json. When you come to this then, the function, not this to stack. So let's say if not exists doc res.params.screen ID to get $sign
Is that backticks? It is. Okay.
thing curly braces request.params.screen ID to get this screen .get then curly braces request.params.screen ID to get this screen .get
What is our params of screens?
then doc, because this is
Busy.
it has to return one document. So let's say if not exists.
Come in.
Can I just sit here?
Yeah, I'm streaming. Dot get.
So if it doesn't exist, we return res.
Dot get. Dot then.
Dot status.
Doc. If doc. Dot exists.
404, because we don't want users submitting comments to IDs that that don't exist anymore, and then we'll have to like persist comments with screen IDs that don't exist anymore. So we just say here, if the screen doesn't exist, we say screen not found.
Return res.status 404.json error pp not found.
And then if we pass this, if nothing happens, not pass it as in if it's not triggered, then we just do db.collection.
Return db.collection
And it will be the collection of
comments. Let's not mess up.
comments. Now we have our comments. So dot add, which I believe we haven't used yet, this is the function that you use to add a document.
We add that new comment.
And you pass it a JSON, and in this case our JSON is already created, so we copy that, we add our new comment object, and here we do .then. This returns a write result, I think. No, actually a document reference, but we don't need it anyway. If we come to this then block, that means the document was created successfully. So we just say res. We actually need to return it, res.json. New comment. We return our comment back to the user because they need to add it on the user interface. So here we do dash error. And console.log. Res not release event, res.status 500 JSON error.code. Or oops, actually, this could happen a lot, so we could just say error, just say something, the classic something went wrong. Okay, so let's save all files.
Okay. He's probably gonna make a mistake because here requires our params to screams. It should be scream ID.
Add. Return db.collection comment. Add. New comment. What's wrong with collection? Something went wrong. Let's check the error log. Screen not found.
So he
Make sure we got the
fixed.
right ID. Really?
Yeah,
Make
he
sure we got
fixed
the
it
right
right.
ID. I did. Screen not found. Oh, what am I doing? Screen ID, not screams. Okay, let's try again.
Okay.
And this will be, and we do copy. Yeah. Now it's good to say something went wrong. Okay, so let's save all files.
Saved.
And now let's go to Postman. So we have this scream ID. We do /scream /scream ID /comment. Before we do that, we need to actually log in. Let's copy all of this. So open a new tab.
I'm already logged in.
Email.com. On your database, log in. So open a new tab. Send a post request with the body of type application JSON and 404 nav /login. Let's get the token. So here.
Alright, okay. So I do the same thing on login. Headers. Get a post. And then we do body raw user or email. Let's just sign up a new user. Sign up, or actually let's log in. What's the email? 1@user.com. 1@user.com. Password. got that token, baby. Now we go to headers, authorization, bearer, post, done. So that's done, and then we go to body again.
Let's do bearer. Let's send a get request without the authorization header. We still get edited one. Just to prove to you, let's send a get request without the authorization header. We still get the screen because it's not protected. So here slash comment, and we put the
Slash.
Let's send a get request without that request we did earlier to get the screen was not protected one. Just to prove to you, let's send a get request without the authorization header. We still get the screen because it's not protected. So here slash comment, and we put the token, and in the body we have, if you remember, we have only one property of body, and this will be comment number 3.
So let's do puzzle piece. Shouldn't it be alright? Puzzle. Shouldn't it be puzzle pieces?
Let's send. Oh, not get. Post. Send. Screen not found. Really? Let me make sure I got the right ID. I did. Screen not found. Oh, what am I doing? Scream ID, not screams. Okay, let's try again. Something went wrong. Let's check the error log. Line number 96. Return db.collection, comment, add, new comment. What's wrong with that? Okay, so after console login, the comment, that object that I created, turned out that the user image was undefined for me. You probably didn't have this error because when I signed up this user, I hadn't implemented the image URL logic at that time. So let's just add image URL here, or let me just add this and add the link to the no image, and this should fix the problem. Yeah, okay. So now image URL should
Okay. Alright, let me double check something. Why is it screen for input? Dot get. Okay, it is. Oh, okay, cool. No worries. We're good to go. We're good to go. We are good to go. Okay.
Is there any chance of you going
No.
to meet your girl?
After post, puzzle piece, that's done. Bro, did you want to e-transfer me?
How much?
13. How come I have to remind you, bro? Come on, bro. Alright, okay, puzzle piece, we got that going. So
would not, or let me just add this and add the link to the one for me. You okay? Let's check the screen up.
okay, so let's do puzzle piece. This one slash that slash comment, and here we're gonna make it body. Wow. Send. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Found. Oh, what am I doing? Scream ID,
Wait.
not screams. Okay, let's try again. The error log. Add. Login the comment, because when I log, or let me just, because when I was trying that, no image, and this should fix the problem. Yeah, okay. So now image URL would not be undefined. Cool.
So that's
Because when
good.
I was trying that, one of the keys.
Busy. What are you doing? I'm streaming. I'm working right now.
By Firebase. Alright, so the comment is submitted now, and I get the comment back with the user image, which we'll use to display on the comment in the front end. And if we go to our comments collection, we see that we get comment number 3, cool, with the user image.
Man, I'm streaming and all this stuff is going on YouTube. Oh my god.
We're gonna create 2 routes, one for liking a screen and one for unliking a screen. So we go.
Okay, I'm glad. Like, honestly, this is sick. Okay, so that part is done. So getting and commenting on a post is done. So happy. Okay, console.log console.log where do I have that in my code? Log console.log. Why do I have this random object here? I guess that's what happens. Okay, so what did I do here? So comment on a puzzle piece. Actually, then before anything, let me just clear git status, git add, git commit getting and posting comments on a puzzle piece implemented. Clear git push origin master. Clear git two contributions for the day. Cool. So that's done. One hour 30 minutes, not bad. Let's keep it going. Been streaming for 1 hour 34 minutes. Let's keep it going.
We're gonna create 2 routes, one for liking a screen and one for unliking a screen. So we got app.post, where is it post? Actually, it can be a get, of course. So app.get /screen /stream ID like, or yeah, just like, and then it's gonna, of course, gonna be a protected route, and it's gonna point to like screen, and let's copy it, paste it again. This will be unlike, and I've changed this to unlike as well. So let's bring these 2 functions that we haven't created in. So like screen and unlike screen.
Okay.
One thing that I forgot to do last time, so here where we post a screen, we need to actually get the image of the user as well, because we don't want to send another query to fetch it. So we can do user image here. We store the user image in the document of the screen. So because we don't want to send another query to fetch it, so we can do user image here. We store the user image in the document of the screen. So user image equals request.user. Remember in the last video we actually
new screen, new puzzle piece. Why isn't it showing up? Whoa, yo. What? Okay. New post one puzzle piece.
did this image URL thing. So first.user.image URL through the middleware, we're adding it, and we need to set like count, initialize them. So like count is 0 and comment count is 0 as well, because this post has just been created.
So when a puzzle piece is created, we need to know the sub puzzle piece, which is an array. So yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. I want to do like and, because I think like and comment is a big part. It's a huge part. I didn't think liking and unliking a comment would take 23 minutes to code, but it is what it is. So we're gonna do that in the next one, and then create and get notifications. Whew, so excited. And then finishing up cloud functions, 4-hour mark. Oh, that's a long part. So 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. So in this 12-hour series, we have done 3 hours. We are 25% done as of today, which is great. I hope to finish this in a week. So that will be my first project done, and then I'll do 2 simpler projects. Once I do those, then I'll have a portfolio ready. Once I have a portfolio ready, I'll be applying for jobs in software development. So thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next stream. In this stream, I think this was one of my longest streams ever in coding. Like I said, I would code for 2 hours, which I did. And yeah, so what did I learn today? I learned I debugged, right? I debugged my own code. It took an hour, but I found the mistake. I put just 2 characters, just 2 like single quotes on a line of code that I shouldn't have, and that took me an hour to find. Thank God, because I coded this in the past up to like 3.5 hour mark. So that came to rescue because I used that to debug my code. And then I did, okay, so that allowed me to retrieve the array of comments, and then we worked on retrieving the comments in the order of in a descending order in terms of the created at. So we wanted the latest comments at the top, so we wanted the comments descending by time. And then we also coded creating new comments inside a puzzle piece. So we are pretty good. We're pretty good now. And yeah, so that's what we learned and pushed the code. I also went on Upwork to seek help, even though I didn't end up using it, but at least you guys saw. And when I get stuck, I post a job on Upwork, yeah, to get help. So $5 saves me time. But yeah, so that's really what it is. I'll see you guys in the next stream.